Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to delete a section or a page in Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix site editor and then to delete a section, first of all scroll down and search for the section that you want to delete. Once you got the section, all you have to need, click on the section to select. Once the section selected, right click on the section and here search for delete. Just click on delete or you can press delete button on your keyboard to delete this section. And here, as you can see, the section has been successfully deleted. Now I'm going to delete another section. So here's I'm selecting the section first, pressing on delete button on my keyboard. And as you can see, the section deleted. And now to delete any page in your Wix website, first of all, click on this page drop down. And here scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on manage pages. And here you will find all of your added or created pages. Now search for the page that you want to delete and then just click on this three dot next to the specific page and just click on delete and the page will be deleted. So this is how we can actually delete a page or a section in Wix. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.